Hi, my name is Karina Gutierrez. I'm family medicine primary care. There wasn't really a moment where I just, kind of knew, but since I was little, I've always kind of known it was my passion. So all I remember when I was, little, like 10 years old or so, is going to the hospitals in Mexico. That's where I'm from, and just seeing the crowded hospitals and just the need. So I think that's probably the little push that I got. But I always have known that I wanted to be a doctor, and I'm the first doctor in my family, so no one really told me to do it. I just knew it was something I've always wanted to do. So I was in between OB and family for a long time. But when I did my rotations, just meeting the patients with the whole family, from the cradle to the grave, right, makes a big difference. Once you get to know the whole family, it's a lot easier to communicate with them, believe it or not, and also education. So and then you don't get bored. You go from, this to that, and there's always something new to learn. So lots of opportunities with family medicine, and again, learning meeting the family and getting to know them is very, very important. So I'm pretty easygoing. If you need to tell me something, I'm not intimidating by any means. Communication is key when it comes to primary care, because it's a lot of preventative medicine, so you have to talk to me. So I'm very, very easy to talk to. First of all, spending time with your patients, right, and seeing up. But thankfully, the organization that we work for helps us tremendously with that, not pushing and everything. So spending time with your patient and listening is key, because you can't really get a good history if you're not listening to what they're telling you. So you can't really treat the patient if you're not listening either. So very, very important. And seeing it in your own kid, then you can relate of how they're feeling when something's happening to their own kid. So yeah, it's definitely very, very helpful to have your own kid. So I have a 2-year-old, so he keeps me busy. And we also have a boxer puppy. Well, not puppy, he's 4, but he's still my puppy. So we love, playing outside, being outdoorsy, very outdoorsy, walking, hiking, biking, everything outside.